When it comes to long-term care planning, there are some alternative options that few people are aware of that we really think you should know more about. Hi, my name is Jesse Sloan. I'm director of the American Association for Long-Term Care Insurance and the National Advisory Center for Short-Term Care Information. Our organizations do not sell insurance, so after watching this video, if you have more questions, please speak to the insurance professional that sent you the link, or if you're not working with one, call our organization and we'll be only too glad to connect you with an expert. So why do you need to think about alternatives when you're looking at long-term care planning? Well, there are four major reasons. The first is you may no longer be able to health qualify for traditional long-term care insurance. You may be too old to apply. You may want a less expensive option, or you may be a single woman. I'll explain a little bit more about each of these in 1 second. Each insurance company sets the maximum age for which they'll accept new applicants. For most traditional long-term care insurance companies, it's 75. Some will go up to 80. The insurance companies today take a serious look at your health before they issue you a long-term care policy. And as you can see from the chart on the right, after individuals reach 70, almost 1 in 2 who take the time to apply for traditional long-term care insurance are declined. And a last fact, single women pay as much as 20 and sometimes as much as 40% more for long-term care insurance as men. But there's an option. These policies are called short-term care insurance protection. Some people refer to them as recovery care. I like to call them long-term care light policies because in many ways they look like a traditional long-term care policy. They provide benefits for up to 1 year, but here's an important fact for you to understand. 49% of all long-term care insurance claims are over within a year. These policies require simplified health underwriting. Some of them ask just as few as 4 questions. Others will ask more, but it's simpler and it's typically easier to health qualify. These policies have the same pricing for single women as they do for single men. Short-term care policies can be issued up to age 89. It's going to vary from one insurance company to the next. And one of the key features that I think is worth looking at is that these policies offer a 0-day deductible option. That means when you need care, you're going to trigger your benefits sooner, and that's a significant benefit for you. About a dozen companies offer these short-term care insurance protections. You can see some of the names here on the screen, and there are some names that you're familiar with and others that you aren't. The policies vary, and the states and the rates vary, so that's why it's very important to speak to a specialist who understands the various options, can help you get the best coverage for the best price. Short-term care insurance policies are not currently available in all states, but they are available in most states. And as I said, the policies vary, the rates vary, the health underwriting requirements vary. So your next step is to seek information from the insurance agent who shared this video, or again, if you're not working with a specialist and want to be connected with one, call our organization. The phone number is area code 818-597-3205, 818-597-3205. We'll only be too glad to answer your questions and help. Thanks for watching.